In this video, I would like to show you how you can enrich your data, improve your data quality, and have the right data at the right time available in your HubSpot system in an easy way. Let's switch to HubSpot and start with the onboarding process of a new company in your system. Just click on the button Create Company. Now you can choose to search for a company based on the domain, or you can just type in the company name. I would just type in the company name. Click on Create. And now the company is created. And the question is, how can we enrich our data? The answer is simple. With the Marini Integration Platform, we integrate Dun Bradstreet data and use the DUNS number to identify a company. The DUNS number is a globally unique identifier from Dun Bradstreet for each company. And based on the DUNS number, we can add thousands of additional information like master data, finance data, risk data, or compliance data to each company. And that means that we need the DUNS number in the first step. Therefore, we implemented the Dun Bradstreet services to HubSpot right here. We just need to click on the advanced search and you will receive a pre-filled form which allows you to search for the right company, which is one click. And in the result table, you see that the first entry is the company we just added a minute ago. You can just now take the checkbox and also choose which data we want to enrich. Master data, finance data, and maybe also compliance data. And by clicking Add Company, we add the requested data to our company in HubSpot. And what you will receive now is the following. The master data of our example company, in that case Siemens, on the left side is now enriched with exactly the information you need. The DUNS number, of course, SIG codes, but also information like number of employees or annual revenues. Important, which data will be synchronized to the company is completely up to you. And additionally, you see two further buttons in the D&B services here, the Data Cloud and the Compliance button. If you click on the button Data Cloud, an iframe opens which visualizes all relevant data. And which data is visualized here is also completely up to you. For example, master data, but also risk data like D&B ratings, credit recommendations, and further information. If you click on the compliance button, you see a summary page for the risks. And the traffic lights makes it easy to see where you face any risks. And by clicking on the tab Compliance Check, you have the possibility to run a compliance check. In the first step, we request all ultimate beneficial owners and we can select one, two, or all of them and say which one of them we want to check against the D&B data. Just submit the inquiry and wait a few seconds and you will receive the results directly. What you receive now is also a traffic light system where you see where you face any risks or have to do anything and conduct your false positive management directly in your HubSpot system. Again, which data and rules will be implemented here is completely up to you. With the no-coding Marini Integration Platform, you have a maximum flexibility. And by the way, this integration can be implemented really fast and is not only available for HubSpot, but also many other systems like SAP systems, Salesforce, or Microsoft Dynamics. If you want to have more information or have any further questions, just contact us.